How to take multiple snaps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take multiple snaps in just one session on Snapchat. So first, open your Snapchat app on your phone. Once you're in the app, look for the plus button in the right corner of the screen. Tap on it. Now, scroll down and find multi-snap. Tap on it and you will see that it's turned on, meaning you're all set to take multiple snaps in one go. Now, you can take as many snaps as you want in one session. You can do this with or without filters. For example, I'm going to take a quick snap now. Once you've taken your snaps, you can tap edit to make any changes and then hit send. You will see all your snaps lined up and ready to share. And that's it. You have learned how to take multiple snaps in one session. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.